Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Guys, update on Faraday Future, ticker is FFIE. I want to give here an update based on the chart, what these price actions does mean, if we are bullish or bearish here guys, and try to predict here the next steps and levels to the up or the downside here for this ticker guys. This is of course not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Yeah, guys, Faraday Future, very nice short squeeze here. If you didn't see my previous videos, we have here a short squeeze when we see the all-time low here for this ticker was 3 cents and 80. I tried to catch it here as best as I can in TradingView guys without zooming too much, and you can see we had here a 10,000% short squeeze, even a little bit more because we squeezed here to $3.90. Now we're trading here at 40 cents. So is this a discount guys, or was it just here a one-time squeeze? I try to answer here that question based on the chart and of course based on the events which we have here in the background. Yeah, when we see that the all-time low was at at 3 cents and 80, then we can of course see that we're still trading here. Try to catch it guys. So that we're still trading here more or less 1000% over the actual price. The price is 40 cents and $3.80, so that makes 1000% guys. So we're still trading 1000% over the all-time low. I had here of course some drawings in the chart where I said we will see a squeeze when we come back down here to 20 cents. If you didn't see here my previous videos guys, that was exactly here where I predicted some technical reaction, and it happened here on the dot. So for everybody who missed the first squeeze guys, we always have here waves in the market, so we can always catch some swing trades here, some post squeezes, and that was here a very nice opportunity. I mentioned that many times in my previous videos. Please check them out guys. 20 cents was and is a technical responsive zone, and we had our squeeze reaction here. So that was here in total also a squeeze of 272%. This is the main purpose here guys on my channel, to educate people in trading. I usually do that by presenting here short squeeze stocks on my channel, and yeah, Faraday Future is of course for this year one of the biggest squeezes, or if not the biggest squeezes which we had in the market here, with 10,000% at least for the tickers which I'm tracking here guys. So now let's check here the micro and macro perspective, what is going on here next guys. I think the bottom here for the stock market in general is in. Yeah, I think we have here a very good chance that the bottom is in. Why do I think that? You can compare this with a lot of other tickers here guys. We have here the S&P 500 index. You can see that we had this massive rip here to the upside, almost unstoppable here since October 2023, and then you can see the only bigger correction was here guys. That was the only time when we had a dip before we start to rip higher, and of course we're building here new all-time highs one after another. And you can see here at the 19th or here 22nd of April here in that range, the bottom was in, and that was slightly before Faraday Future started to squeeze here. You can see we had the bottom here. I predicted, by the way guys, the next squeeze to happen here in that blue box. I just missed it here by 1 day guys. So I always did here 3 predictions for short squeeze on Faraday Future. That's why I'm very familiar with the stock. I know how to trade the stock here, and this is what I also try to predict here in the future. So the bear case scenario is guys, and this is the only bad thing what we have here in the chart, we still have an open gap in the daily chart at 7 cents, which means technically Faraday Future should or come, yeah, 90% guys, the chance that we come back here down to 7 cents, the chance is there. But if we are still very bullish here in the market, and it seems like we will see a lot of short squeezes here in the next week, if the market doesn't tank down, it doesn't look like, to be honest, for me, that means the bottom is in here. And this is maybe here was the final dip before we see higher price ranges here. We can always use guys the technicals to confirm if we are still squeezing or not. And for now, what we want to see, when I for a second here disable all the drawings and indicators guys, what we of course want and need to see is that we start to build here higher lows. So we should not come lower than 20 cents again, and we need to see here higher highs. So we have to at least break here 68, 67 cents. And the main resistance, if you didn't know or didn't see my previous videos guys, the main resistance here in the chart, which is compressing the price, is 76 guys. This red line here is our main resistance, and when we come with volume and the green candle body over this line, this is the moment where you will see the next squeeze price levels here for Faraday Future. The next levels where we should go is $1.13, and then everything here between $1.20 and $1.52 would be a normal technical squeeze guys. I don't talk here about a ridiculous short squeeze, just a normal technical reaction. So based on the actual price, and this is also not a coincidence, guys, that we exactly on the dot closed at 40 cents. This is everything made by the algos here. So that would mean we have here a squeeze potential again of at least 180%. And in normal case scenario, not the best case scenario, even 280% just based on the technicals and the algos. As I said, I don't talk here about a huge short squeeze. We will see a huge short squeeze when we go over a price level of $2.15. Guys, I have a lot of short squeeze stocks here on my channel. As I said, the main purpose is to educate people in trading, but if you also want to see some other short squeeze stocks, I will upload a brand new video here. The so-called hot stocks are available every week here on my channel. So these tickers here in this videos, guys, is let's call it the finest selection of stocks which have high squeeze potential. We had a very, very strong correction since 2 or 3 weeks now. So in May, everything squeezed. Now we had our correction. June is in general, guys, a very bearish month. So this is why I think we will see a lot of squeezes incoming here. So don't forget to check out here my hot stocks. Yeah, just one example. One of the hot stocks, which was some of the bigger squeezes here in the past 2 weeks, was this one here. This is the day where I made my video. I alarmed my members here that we have a high squeeze potential here for this ticker. And this is a 4 hours chart, guys. Just 5 days later here, we had a squeeze also of 365%. It's not smart when you just, go all in on one stock. This is of course your decision, guys, but it is not smart. You should be open here for other tickers as well. We have a lot of big short squeeze tickers here in the market. If you want to see these short squeeze stocks, guys, of course I do a lot of video content here for AMC and GameStop as well. Everything available for my members, guys. So I have here the Elite Circle membership on YouTube, which has access to the member videos and the hot stock videos, or the little bit more popular membership is the Ultimate Black Belt membership here on not the membership, the membership on Patreon, guys. Also I upload here all the member content, hot stock videos, and in addition my trading alerts. This is something in addition for people who don't want to see all my videos and want to hear me talking all day. So I upload here screenshots, guys, with buy-in price levels, stop losses, exit price levels, and this is just one example where I made this post here on Patreon, and 2 days later we had also here a 119% short squeeze, guys, or a market squeeze. Yeah, the biggest one which we had here was this swing trade, guys, or the one of the biggest here in the past weeks was this one. This ticker even squeezed more than 400% in just 2 days, guys. If you want to check that out, you can of course join in here our community. We have a lot of members already. We're growing every day. If you want to become a part of this strong black belt trading team, guys, you can click here in the video description. There are the links to enter my memberships, guys. So let's go back here to Faraday Future and let's check the chart. So what would I do, yeah, if I have to trade now again Faraday Future? I trade this ticker now a few times. I'm not a back holder, guys. Yeah, normally I go in and go out, take quick profits, and that's it. So in best case, when you can expect the squeeze to happen is when we have here an oversold RSI, guys. That was exactly here in combination with the 20 cent mark when we had here our nice squeeze reaction. So if you want to play it safe, I would wait here for that signal that we have an oversold RSI. However, guys, when we go here in the macro perspective, and of course I can show you here in the 4 hours chart how to trade this ticker here, guys. So what is the bear case? What is the bull case? The bull case is, guys, when we don't come lower than 30 cents. As I said, we don't want to go back here in the 20 cent range. We want to have a normal correction here after the squeeze. This is absolute normal that the stock comes a little bit down. It is okay when we come down here to 33 cents, even here 29.49, guys. This is still okay, but we don't want to go lower than that. If we go lower than that, guys, I would be very, very careful. That could be a bearish scenario here for Faraday Future. Also, you can see how in the 4 hours chart, how the price is starting to bounce here as soon as we hit here the bottom of this RSI pattern here, the 30% mark, guys. So this is always a good hint which you can use to enter or exit stocks, of course, depending on the oversold or overbought area. As I said, what I want to see is a price at least over 69 cents. In best case, guys, over 76 cents. That would, in my opinion here, the trigger to see the next short squeeze for Faraday Future. Don't forget, guys, there is a stockholder meeting at the 31st of July. So we can mark that here in the chart. This is it's not in the chart yet, but we have here a special stockholder meeting. Let's mark that here in blue color. Here on that day, guys, they want to ask or want to vote for a incoming reverse stock split. Yeah, the ratio is not clear yet, and they will dilute the stock again, guys. They diluted the stock already from 38 million shares to more than 400 million shares, and now they want to even increase the float to 4 billion shares, guys. Yeah, you can check out the latest SEC filings for Faraday Future. But as I said, I said that in my previous videos, if they would do a reverse stock split right now, we have here a lot of synthetic shares, guys. Here during May, a lot of synthetic shares are created. They are not covered yet. If they would do a reverse stock split, that would be in favor for a squeeze if they don't dilute the stock before or directly after the split. If they would wait some weeks, guys, that would be very, very in favor for a squeeze, but I will tell you more details on that when the vote is done. And don't forget, this is here by the end of July, guys. If you want, guys, you can of course copy here all the drawings in the chart. I will disable the indicators here. Zack, zack, zack. So this is everything done by TradingView, guys. I always offer here to get my discount link in the video description. If you don't have TradingView yet, it is very, very helpful if you get the right tools. If you want to understand how trading works, this is everything based on algos, guys. If you want, you can use here this discount link. When you click this link and register up, you save $15 on your TradingView subscription. And I always recommend to start with the Plus subscription. Of course, if you want to have the full package here for TradingView, you can of course go for the premium one, but in my opinion, the Plus subscription here is good for beginners and even advanced traders. Guys, also the links here to the memberships are here in the video description, the membership links, and don't forget to see my latest updates here on the hot stocks, which are available every weekend, guys. So guys, thank you so much. I wish you a great time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Schönes Wochenende. Vielen Dank für den Support. Bis zum nächsten Video. Alles Gute. Bye bye, guys. Thank you.